Hey everybody, I'm Chris, game designer at Preview Labs, and today we're going to be opening up and taking a look at the Oculus Quest 2. Now we just got this big box in, very heavy, full of nice little toys to play with. There should be 2 copies of the Oculus Quest 2, one for our office here in Connecticut, and one for our friends over in Belgium. Let's take a look. Here we go. And there we go. So here we have our 2 copies of the Oculus Quest 2. Very nice, beautiful packaging. I'm going to save one for our friends in Belgium. Let's take a look at this, shall we? So, I'm very excited to take a look at this today because the Oculus Quest is actually one of my favorite virtual reality headsets. For a standalone headset, it really works well. It's very powerful and it's very comfortable and easy to use as well. The Oculus Quest 2 is a lot of great upgrades, and I'm even liking the white color scheme a lot. As you can see, Facebook account required. Facebook's recent acquisition of Oculus means that you need to use an account to use this. According to the box, inside we're going to have the headset, 2 controllers, batteries included, as well as a power adapter, a glasses spacer for those of you who use glasses, and the charging cable. So let's take a look how it comes together. There we go. Look at that. Just beautiful. First impression, I'm really liking the look of the headset here. I love the white. It really looks very clean. Nice shape to the headset. Let's remove the insert. Alright. As we can see, there are 2 lenses which you can space to according to your eye spacing for a better fit. These are not supposed to have sunlight, so for now I'm going to leave the protective film on because if you expose it to sunlight, it could hurt the lens. We got our volume control down here, forward-facing sensors, and a little sensor on the inside top of the device to check to see if you're wearing the headset or not. If you're not wearing the headset, it'll go into an automatic sleep mode. Also included here are the glasses spacer, which you can place on the inside of the headset itself. If you wear glasses, it'll give it a more comfortable fit. Next, we have the 2 touch controllers, which are extremely comfortable. They retain most of the original design of the Oculus Quest 1's touch controllers, it seems. We got our trigger button here, we got our grip buttons on the side, 2 buttons on the front face, as well as a joystick, and the menu button and the Oculus button, as well as the sensors for your fingers. Very comfortable. It's a matte finish. The controllers seem very nice in your hand, and it feels like even if you're sweating, you'll still be able to get a good grip on the controller because it has a bit of a matte grain finish, so it doesn't make it as slippery. And then little button stickers on either side to say whether it is left or right controller. Moving on. This is our little box of goodies, it seems. Here we have the Oculus Quest 2 instruction manual and reference guide. Shows you how to plug in and adjust the headset straps, as well as charge the controllers and headset, as well as how to adjust the lenses. There are 3 different positions for lens adjustment, and you can physically move the lenses to the left or right to find the clearest view for your eyes. And once again, do not expose the lenses to direct sunlight. Alright, I'll take a more clear look at this later. Next, you have the safety and warranty guide. A lot of information here. Tells you what's in the box again. Electrical specifications, as well as care and maintenance. Content selection, basically a general use guide. I'm not going to go through all of this right now. I'll read it later. And as well as some safety guides for freedom of movement as far as your play space and surroundings when being in VR. So let's take a look at this later. See what else we have in the box. It looks like here is our charging cable. So we have, it is a USB-C. So if you have the USB-C cable of the correct voltage, it should work. But it does come with one included. Very nice. I also like the grayish white finish, matching the the color of the touch controllers and the accents on the headset, which is very nice.